In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Gimp on Mac computer. If you don't know, Gimp is an open source software and an excellent alternative of Adobe Photoshop. So let's get started. At first, we need to visit Gimp website, which is gimp.org, or you simply can type Gimp. So make sure that you are downloading the latest version of Gimp, which usually you can see in the front page. And as you can see here, it is the latest version 2.10.18. So when you will click on this, you will have two options to download. You either can download it from torrent, and which might be faster to download from torrent, and also you can directly download it from here. So I would recommend you to download it from here because you will have the genuine product. Let's click on this. Depending on your computer system and also internet speed, it may take quite some time to download this software. When download will be completed, you will have file like this. So you need to double click on this file. It may take some time to verify. Verification has been completed. So from here you simply need to drag this software to your applications, and then it will be installed automatically. So let's go to the applications to open this software. Double click on this file. As you can see, it's working now. So this is how you can simply download and install Gimp software on your Mac computer.